Hey everybody, meteorologist Derek Beasley here with the Maryland Weather Network with an updated look at your forecast for your Thursday, which includes a chance for strong to severe storms and a flash flood risk here for later on this afternoon. So let's get right into the details and let you know what to expect here for the rest of today. Looks like we should stay dry through early afternoon. Storms, though, are going to start firing up out in western Maryland, 1 to 3 o'clock for western Maryland. Then as we get into the evening hours, 6 to 8 o'clock, that's when the Baltimore area down to D.C., the I-95 corridor is going to see that chance for some showers and storms, as well as the rest of central Maryland. Southern Maryland and the eastern shore should see the storms 7 and 9 o'clock before they move completely offshore by that point. Now, you can see from visible satellite, we have some low-level clouds across the region. I do expect skies to begin clearing sometime in the next few hours, and we'll get enough sunshine to increase the instability in the atmosphere to provide some fuel for those storms coming in a little bit later. Now, here's what's going on as far as the flood watch is concerned. All the counties you see in green, that is the flood watch that goes from this afternoon and goes all the way till 11 o'clock tonight. So that's really the time frame that we're expecting some of the heaviest rain. And we've already picked up several inches of rain from some of the rounds of storms we've had since 4th of July weekend. And any additional rain is only going to exacerbate the problem because these storms are going to be, they aren't going to be really fast moving, but they'll be moving slowly enough to where they'll take advantage of all that moisture in the atmosphere and dump a lot of rain in a short period of time. Could see 1 to 3 inch per hour rainfall rates across the region. Slight risk for severe weather. Earlier, this was a little bit closer to Baltimore, but they've extended it back towards the west, towards the Hagerstown and Frederick areas. And that certainly makes sense considering the fact that with the front coming in this afternoon and enough sunshine, we are going to see that threat for some strong to severe storms across the region, some of which could produce wind damage as well as flooding rainfall and, of course, lots of lightning. Not concerned about tornadoes or hail with any of storms here for today. So there's your visible satellite right there. Let's take a look at some of the computer model forecast data. And this forecast model is the RRFS. And of course, this morning we had a few showers around. As we go into the afternoon hours, though, we're going to start to see those storms developing across the region. So I want to kind of give you an idea of what to expect here. So right around the 11 o'clock time frame, things relatively quiet. Few showers try to pop up in western Maryland, but the bulk of the activity is going to come during the late afternoon hours. And notice in that 6, 7, 8 o'clock time frame, the I-95 corridor gets affected. Southern Maryland, 8, 9, 10, then the storms move offshore. So really, again, it's going to be mainly that mid to late afternoon, evening hour time frame that these storms are going to be affecting our area. Forecast lows tonight after the rain moves out, 60s and 70s. Highs for Friday, getting into the upper 80s to around 90. There will be another chance for scattered storms here for Friday afternoon. And it looks like those rain chances actually will continue into Saturday before things start to wind down. So here's your 7-day forecast. Scattered thunderstorms again this afternoon. Same thing for Friday to a lesser extent. And then Saturday we'll have more showers and storms around. And then finally the front will push far enough south to where we're going to be done with it for a little while. And then watch in the middle of next week the potential for significant heat to make its way back into Maryland. More on that to come in the next few days. I'm meteorologist Derek Beasley. That's the latest on what to expect today. Of course, I'll be doing updates throughout the afternoon as conditions warrant and as long as I have power, because with the storms over the holiday weekend, lost power for a little while, so it was a little difficult to make some updates, but I do plan on trying to stay online as much as I can today to give you the latest on those storms. I'm meteorologist Derek Beasley. Get all your weather information for the state of Maryland, of course, on my website, mdweathernetwork.com, and I'll keep you updated. Have a good day and be safe.